Madigan, you're a good girl. You have green eyes. You all have green eyes. Are you possessed? Are you possessed by demons? Huh? I think you are. No, I think you are. No. Are you? Hey. No. Do it again. Are you possessed by demons? No. Maddie, we know you're not. You're the only normal one. What about that white one over there? I can't hear. Is she? Go get her, Maddie. Go get Little Pet. Good girl. No, not the food. What about this one over here that can't hear? This one right here. Let's give her the signal for sit. Signal for lay down.